In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a 3D model into Blender and ensure it appears correctly with its textures applied. Whether you're new to Blender or just need a quick refresher, these simple steps will guide you through the process to make sure your model looks as intended. First, let's start by opening Blender and navigating to the top left corner of the interface. You'll want to click on the File menu, which will present you with a range of options. Hover over Import, and you'll see a selection of file formats. This is where you need to know the type of file you're bringing into Blender, whether it's wavefront.obj, fbx.fbx, or gltf 2.0 (GLB. Choose the appropriate one from this drop-down list. Selecting the correct format is crucial, as it tells Blender how to read the file's data correctly. Next comes the part where you locate your specific file. In the file browser that pops up after you select the format, navigate through your directories to find where your 3D model is stored. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it. You should see an Import button in the bottom right corner of the file browser. Click on it, and your file will start loading into Blender. Once the model has been imported, to see it in all its textured glory, you'll want to change the viewport shading mode. Look to the top right corner of the 3D viewport and you'll find several spherical icons. Click on the one labeled Material Preview. This mode renders your model with the textures applied, giving you a better sense of how it will actually appear in a rendered scene. If you find that the model appears but the textures seem off or are missing entirely, it usually indicates an issue with the materials. Before importing the model, it's also wise to familiarize yourself with the Import Settings pane located on the right-hand side of the screen. These settings can influence how your file is imported into Blender. For instance, if the textures are missing, you could use these settings to troubleshoot the issue. In many cases, you might need to manually adjust or relink textures. To do that, navigate to the Shader Editor, available under the Shading workspace, where you can manually connect the texture files to their respective material nodes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to import a model into Blender successfully and preview it with its textures intact. Remember, getting used to exploring Blender's menus and settings is key, so don't hesitate to experiment a bit to better understand how each option affects your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you bring your 3D creations to life in Blender.